Can't really see it, but it is... Here, let's see if you can hear this. It's like bouncing. Bounce, 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 bounce. Dude, ice pellets. Let's see. Look at this. Look at those little bastards. Ugh. So not a fan of this water. But, okay. Let's watch it accumulate on the chimenea thinger. Okay, well, maybe it's more exciting when you're actually standing in it. I don't know. I don't know if I feel very excited. Yeah, okay. Son of a bitching weather. I'm going back in now.